Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need administrator access and either a working Windows 10 install or recovery USB. Once ready, save work and hold Shift while clicking Restart from the Start menu. That forces Windows into recovery mode. If you cannot access the desktop, insert a Windows 10 installation USB and boot from it by pressing the PC's boot key. Make sure to choose your language, then select Repair your computer instead of Install to proceed into recovery options. Once in the recovery environment, select Troubleshoot to continue, then go to Advanced Options and pick Command Prompt. The system will reboot and prompt you to choose an account. Select an administrator account and enter the password so WinRe can open an elevated command shell. Make sure to note the drive letters can change here. C. In recovery might be D on your system, so verify with dir to find files. You can now run boot repairs, disk checks, or copy files as needed. Complete your maintenance with commands like chkdsk/f, sfc/scano, or bcdedit to fix boot records. Run them one at a time and wait for results. Once done, type exit and choose Continue to boot Windows normally, making sure to remove any installation media. If the command prompt option does not appear, make sure your recovery environment is intact. Use a recovery USB or installation media to access repair tools. If boot keys fail, check BIOS/UEFI boot order and enable Legacy or USB boot as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.